Well, hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and this is the Walgreens preview for the week of the 18th to the 24th. Lots of great deals in this one, and yeah, you're going to be surprised, including Dollar Dove body wash, which I really like, and then Dollar Dial body wash, which is also cool. Now, yesterday I made a video in regards to the difference between a regular register reward and a store coupon that looks like a register reward. Please check out this video. It'll be linked at the very end. There's a lot of information, and if you don't catch it on the first time, maybe give yourself a good 10 minutes to watch this video, or 20 if you have to watch it twice. It's a very subtle changeover at Walgreens that can affect your bottom line, so a video everybody should watch. Now, in last Wednesday, this guy showed up in my digital coupons folder. You might want to check right away and load it. This is of a one-time use. And it's valid from the 18th to the 24th, so you have to activate it. And remember to pay cash bills for the balance, debit card, credit card, cash bills. And I got the 5 back when you spend 20, so I think I'm back in their good graces. I'm not, 7 back when you spend 50. Now, if you might have a Big Lots, until Sunday, there is a free hand soap by this company called Pan Rosa, 15 ounces, which is a sizable little hand soap. And basically, the coupon is loaded to your store card. You just go to checkout. Usually, that's where they stage all these things. You grab one that you either punch in your phone number or scan your store card, and it is free. You don't even have to pay tax. And you have to do this by Sunday the 18th. But definitely throw this on your list if you have a Big Lots. Okay, and this is back, which is a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of the participating products. Lots of great little dealios here, so we're going to look at it quite thoroughly. So the first one that we're going to talk about is Dove, the men and women's. So for this deal, we're going to grab one of each for $6. This is going to be in this weekend's savings insert, which is a buy one, get one free. So you buy one, ladies, you get the men's for free. The max value is $6, so that is perfect. So grabbing both a men and ladies body wash, well, that's 12 on the nose. Subtracting the BOGO free from the savings insert of April the 18th, you're left with paying $6 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward. 2 for 2 or $1 each. $1 for a body wash that's almost $7.99. OMG. If you want to use your Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. Graph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and maybe on Sunday there might be a digital coupon to pair with this, so fingers and toes crossed. Wouldn't that be nice? Guys, so on that same promotion of buy 2 get a $4 register reward, we're going to grab 2 of the toothpaste for this one. Why not? And then in the savings insert of April the 11th, we're going to need 2 of these. Alternatively, maybe a digital coupon. So grabbing 2 Crest toothpaste, that's $6 on the nose, subtracting $2 coupons, you're left with paying $4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, basically zeroing this out to free. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just doing this on its own, that's totally cool. In the same promotion of buy 2, get a $4 register reward, we're going to grab some Gillette men's deodorant. Please make sure you're grabbing the right one. It's this blue one. It's a newer product. And there is a $2 coupon for this product, so please load this one. And it gives you a little bit of savings. So looking at the math for this one, grabbing 2 of those deodorants at $6 each, that's $12. Subtracting that $2 coupon, you're left with paying $10 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward. IBOTTA has a rebate of $1.50 back that you can claim twice. So the final price point here is 3 for 2 or $1.50 each. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. Show you guys, this is the IBOTTA rebate. Always double triple check that it's working with and that you have it in your gallery. These things tend to be a bit transient. They float in and float out. Now with those $4 register rewards, if it is that dreaded store coupon, let's roll it into something else right away. So we have these $4.99, either the Angel Soft or the Quilted Northern. I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of a Quilted Northern girl. Grabbing one of those for $4.99. We have a 50-cent digital manufacturer plus that $4 store coupon or register reward. You're left with paying 49 cents. That's a really great deal, especially for the Quilted Northern. That's like toilet paper for a week. Okay, so this is another spectacular deal on the Dial Clean and Gentle. 2 for $7. There's going to be a 2 off a 2 digital coupon, dropping it down to $5. IBOTTA has this $1.50 back rebate. Again, double, triple check that you have it. because you don't want to buy it and the rebate's gone, or if you don't have it in your account. Grabbing 2 of these for $7, subtracting that coupon, you're left with paying $5 out of pocket. Make that $1.50 submission to Ibotta twice. Final price point here is 2 for $2 or $1 each. And if you wish to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Now this little deal, $3.99, $6 register reward when you buy 3. I'm going to go with the toothbrushes because it's always great whenever you can get really inexpensive toothbrushes. So grabbing 3 of those for $11.97, subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital, you're left with paying $6.97 out of pocket, getting back a $6 register reward, 97 cents for the 3, not too shabby. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it. Let's double, triple check Ibotta on Sunday. Will there possibly be any rebates for this guy? Okay guys, now we're going to look at some Colgate toothpaste for $2.99. When you buy the 2, you get back a $5 register reward when you buy 2. So how lovely is that? In the Smart Source insert of April the 11th, we have a 50-cent coupon, so we're going to need 2 of these. Now, looking at the math for this one, grabbing 2 tubes of the toothpaste at $2.99 a pop, that's $5.98. Subtracting 2 50-centers from the Smart Source of April the 11th, that's subtracting $1. You're left with paying $5.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you're just doing this deal on its own, that's perfectly fine. Now this little deal, the Tide Downy These Good products, $2.95. When you buy 4 of them, you get a $4 register reward on your next purchase. So we're going to grab 4 of these guys for the price point of $11.80. In the savings insert of April the 11th, there's a 50-cent coupon. Or alternatively, you could even go to P&G Good every day. I would also throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay $1.30 out of pocket, and get back a $4 register reward. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it. And if you don't have that $10 of Walgreens cash, it might be a little bit more out of pocket for you. A little paper deal for you. These Scots and Kleenex, These Good products are $5 each. So grabbing 2 of them, that would be $10. Subtracting $1.25 IVC from the April Big Book, that's $2.50 right there. If I have a $4 store coupon, register reward, whatever that thing is, throw it in, along with throwing in $3 of Walgreens cash, pay 50 cents plus the tax. It's just a very smart flip to bulk up your paper. We're all trying to do that right now, so just a really smart little dealio, I think. Okay, the next deal is on these Renews It cones. I know a lot of you love it whenever this shows up. 89 cents. There will be a digital coupon, buy 4, get 2 for free. So how lovely is that? So we're going to grab 6 for this. 6 of these cones for the price point of $5.34. Subtracting that to buy 6, get 2 for free, $1.78 will be coming off. You're left with paying $3.56 out of pocket, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate, making it $1.56 for the 6 or 26 cents each. If you wish to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. And let's not forget to double, triple check that your Ibotta rebate is still in your gallery and that you have the one that I'm describing. And now we have another little deal, 4 for $16 on these different Gain products. You can grab all fabric softener, all detergents, whatever you want, or mix and match, get one of every single one if you want. So grabbing 4 of those, that's $16 on the nose. You know what I would do? I would use that $5 register reward from Colgate along with $1 coupon from your savings insert of April the 11th. You can only use one because the verbiage on that coupon is strict, 1 per household per day or else. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay down the tax and laugh all the way to the bank and back. Hey guys, let's talk about some honorable mentions. The first one, I saw this and I was really curious about it. It's a $5 of Walgreens cash on a $25 purchase on every FedEx pickup and drop off. So it says learn more. Obviously, if you do a lot of e-commerce buying, that sort of stuff, you might want to look into this. Maybe pick everything up over at Walgreens. And then the All Snuggle is $2.99. There's going to be a $1 off digital coupon, dropping it down to $1.99. On a good day, this stuff is usually $5.99, $6.99, that neighborhood. It's made out of gold, so this is a very good price point, especially if you want to throw it in a basket with, like, spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. It's a fantastic fantastic little item. Okay, and now we have the little meal of the week instead of the deal of the week. Different things to make burgers, and then the BOGO 50% off. If you're really into grilling between now and Memorial Day, a lot of this stuff becomes really cheap, along with these chips, which is 3 for $6. This has been going on all month, so basically makes each bag of chips for like $2 each. If you consider a bag of Doritos is almost $4, that's a very good price point. And the last deal is $12.99 for the Heineken or Stella Artois. And after you get your mail-in rebate, it comes out of the Catalina machine. You send it to the manufacturer by mail with a little bit of information. And you're going to get back a $5 check, making it $7.99 after all of that. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.